Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow motion issue in Battlefield 6 and get rid to FPS drops.
Fix 1. Disable motion blur. Go to Settings, Graphics, Display. Turn motion blur is equal to 0. Set weapon OF is equal to off. Fix 2. Change dynamic resolution scaling. Go to Graphics, Advanced. Turn dynamic resolution is equal to offset render scale is equal to 100%. Fix 3. Update GPU drivers NVIDIA. Update via GeForce Experience AMD. Update via Adrenaline software. Restart your PC after updating. Fix 4. Disable Wii Sync in display settings. Set Wii Sync is equal to off. Also disable Wii Sync from NVIDIA control panel. MD Radeon settings. Fix 5. Enable high performance mode. Windows. Press Win plus I system power and battery. Set power mode is equal to best performance. Fix 6. Change Battlefield 6 to high priority. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Go to Details. Find BF6. X right. Click Set Priority High.